Today we will see how to make a photo collage on iPhone without external applications, so let's get started right away. We are going to go to the App Store and search for the word shortcuts. You might say, well, you're telling me it's without applications, but you're actually using an application, and it's this shortcuts one. Yes, but the thing is, this application is directly from Apple, meaning we don't have to download external applications. In this case, you might already have this application installed because it comes pre-installed on all iPhones. It could be that you don't have it because you uninstalled it, but you just need to come here, install it, and that's it. Now, once you have installed it, we are going to open it, and it will bring us all these shortcuts and all this information. So, what are we going to do? We are going to go to the bottom right where it says Gallery. Once you are here, you need to search exactly as it appears here, photo in English. Do not search for photo in Spanish because it will not show up. So you have to search for photo simply this way and photo grid will appear. Alternatively, we can search directly for grid as it appears here. Then we would simply select this first shortcut and press the plus button. Once we press the plus button, it will appear here in shortcuts in the main section as the photo grid option. Here, you just need to tap on it. Then all the photos will appear. What I'm going to do here is directly select some photos to combine. So I will simply scroll down here to look for photos, and once we have selected the photos, we just need to press add at the top right. We need to wait a moment, and it will automatically generate the photo collage. Then, what we need to do is press the share button at the bottom left. Once it loads, we just need to press save image, and it will be saved in the gallery. We can also choose an application directly to share it, whether to upload it to Instagram, WhatsApp, or wherever we want. And that's it, we can make as many photo collages as we want. Remember, this is unlimited, meaning you can choose as many photos as you want. However, ideally, to avoid any errors, you should generally choose photos of the same size first and foremost, and secondly, not choose too many photos at once because it might not be able to process and could generate an error. But this is how to create a collage on your iPhone without external applications.